Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's Learn Python in 7 days. So, today is a very good session because towards the end of the 30 minutes, we will have so many people becoming confident that they are becoming a Python programmer or a data science professional, right? So, like in the previous sessions, we are going to do the whole open technique, which is going to relax, and then we are getting into our Python practice, right? So, people who have joined on YouTube or any other mediums, please go ahead and type the click on the Zoom link in the chat, right? Yeah. So you can see on the right hand side, if you are on desktop, you can see that there is the Zoom session link, the passcode, you can use that and join the Zoom session for a better interactivity. Okay. Right. So we'll begin then. Great. Okay. So for the whole open technique, I would want all of you to first close your eyes during the session, during this 5 minutes. And during this 5 minutes, I would want you to be totally focused, uninterrupted. And if you have any other distractions, please, put your mobile on airplane or something, right? So I would request you to close your eyes and put your right hand on your heart. Okay, let's begin. So relax your eyes, relax your forehead. Take a deep breath. Relax your cheeks. Relax your shoulders. Relax your back. Relax your feet. Right? So now we will be beginning our open up prayer. And I would be taking my name. You will be taking yours. Right? So this would include the 4 statements that are known to remove the self-doubt and negative energy within ourselves. So this has helped most of our members to clear self-doubt and get into the Python practice. Okay. Right. Keep your hand still on your heart. Okay. You're going to talk to yourself. You're going to talk to your beautiful spirit, your energy. Right. Let's begin. You have to say this out loud, right? Not just in your mind. Okay. You have to say it loud along with me. I am really sorry for not taking care of you, Sachi. Here you would say your name. I'm really sorry for not taking care of you, Sachi. Great. I'm sorry for disconnect. I'm so sorry for leaving you alone. I am the one who judges you so much. I am the one who criticizes you so much. Please forgive me for underestimating you. Please forgive me for not believing in you. Please forgive me for underestimating you. Please forgive me for not believing in you. Thank you. I'll take my name. You will take yours. Thank you, Sachi, for keeping me alive, for letting me have this beautiful experience of life. Thank you. From now on, it does not matter who doesn't love you. It does not matter who doesn't appreciate you, because I promise from now on, I love you. I am here and I would never let you go again. Give yourself a hug with your arms across your shoulders. Not just a casual hug. Give a warm hug. Slowly open your eyes. While you open your eyes, rub your hands and put that energy to your face. take a deep breath. Great. Right. So I would request you to put just one word that you felt in the chat, right? So let me see if chat is open for everyone. Yes. So you put just one word, the experience. How was the experience for you? Yes, amazing, relaxed, peaceful, calm, self-motivating, and relaxed. Sai Charan, Sivakoti, thanks. That's really nice. Yeah. Okay, so let's begin. Stress busting, Matin. Yes. Positive, Samrat. That's really nice. Okay. So let's give more session, more practice to the session. And if anyone would want, does anyone want to unmute and share their experience? Come on camera. I'll switch to gallery mode. Yes, we have Abhijit. We have Chaitali, we have Matan, Samrat, Vasu. There are many on YouTube also. Right? Great. Yeah. So I'm going to share my screen and also put this link on chat. Okay. So here the link goes on chat. And also on YouTube. Great. Amazing. So now today, to make it easy for you all, you can see that the exercise is below. We have covered, printing statements, hello world. And today we have also, yesterday we have covered, strings. Today we are also going to cover a little about conditionals. Okay. So we'll start with the exercise and then learn. Okay. Right. So now the exercise one is on a coin toss. If it's heads, India bats, and if it's tails, Australia bats. So we want to, we want our program to think on itself, right? So that is how we'll, give intelligence to start giving intelligence to the programs, right? So now what we are doing here is, I'm going to copy that same thing and going to explain it to you, right? So when we are doing toss equal to heads, here we are defining a variable toss and giving it the value, the string value heads. Okay. Now what we are doing here is, if toss, here you can see that this is double equal to. This single equal to is giving value to a variable, right? Which is the definition. Here it is a conditional. Here we are checking the condition. We are saying is toss equal to heads, right? So now here we are checking if it is heads, and then we are going to put a semicolon here, and then I'm going to paste it back again here, right? So if toss equal to heads, if toss is heads, then print India's batting. Okay. Now you see that the toss is heads. That is why India's batting. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm also writing another statement, right? If that was the statement, what if it's not heads? What if it is tails? Then go to else, and then in the else, there is the semicolon, and there you have the print statement which says Australia's batting. Okay. Now, because toss is heads, it is going to be India's batting. Now I'm going to change heads to tails. Okay. Now I'm going to run it. So if you are on a system, go ahead and run this parallelly along with me. Take a screenshot of it. Also put it on the WhatsApp group we are in. So the people who are watching on YouTube, you can see that there is a WhatsApp link in the description. Join the group. It is filling fast. So check if it is open. And then, put your screenshot also on the group, right? So then now, okay. Now I've changed it to tails. I'm going to run it. Now you've seen that Australia's batting, right? So now this is simple if and else statements. I hope people who have joined from desktop are able to do it. Let me just check with people on chat. how many of you have understood? If you have understood this, type U in the chat box. Sai Charan says you, Chaitali is you, Matin you, Samrat you, Rahul you. That's really nice. That's great. How many of you have run the program? If you have run the program, type R. Along with me, if you have run the program, type R. Saurabh says R. Charan says R. Great. So, Charan, can you share your experience? How are you feeling like after you run this program? All right. So let me just find you in chat. Yes, Charan. So Samrat says he is also run the program. That's really nice. Do take the screenshot and put it on the group. Okay. So let's quickly have a very quick, experience of yours. Samrat, can you share your experience? Yeah, it's a very small group. We have been seeing for each other for the last 3 days. Okay. Yes, okay, there's an issue with the mic. No worries. That's great. So let's continue. Let's first finish off the exercise number 2. Okay, now we are going to see the logic of traffic signals, right? So what is going to happen? People who are not running this, go ahead and try to run it on your system, because what do we want to achieve? We want to achieve the confidence that we can code, right? So this is just the beginning of the code, right? Now, there is a variable we have defined here, signal equal to green. Okay, now signal is green. Now, if signal equal to green, print go. So now you know that it is going to print go because the signal is green. But what if it is yellow, right? What if it is yellow? So then what we are going to say, else if. So else if it's not, the condition is not true, then run this statement. So I'm going to say else if. Instead of trying else if, Python has the keyword which says elif. Okay. And I'm going to say signal equal to yellow, then print, let's just say ready. Okay. Then I'm just going to say towards the end, I'm going to say else. So if both of them do not run, then it is going to print red. So it means print stop, right? Thanks, Matin, for spinning. Yeah, Chiran, that's stop, correct. Now we are going to, now the signal is green, so it will definitely print go. Okay, let's just see if there are any errors here. Okay, so now it said go. Now what I'm going to say, I'm going to say red. Okay. Now what the program will do, Python will do, it will go check if the signal is green. No, it is red. It's not green, so it will not print. It will skip this. It will go check else if signal is yellow. Okay, spelling is wrong. Sorry, yellow. But is it yellow? It is not yellow. It's red. So it will not print the next statement. Skip. It will go to else, and then it will print stop. Okay. So it will print stop. So how many of you are able to do this along with me, right? Type, if you are able to run this along with me, type R. Martin, yes, I would want, yes, thank you so much, Abhijit. Really nice to see people who said, like some of you who said you are not able to, you never coded, but you're getting that confidence. That's really nice. So great. So what I'll do, I'll just switch stop screen share, and let's do a little experience sharing. Great. So Charan, can you unmute and ask the question, or can you come on cam and ask the question? So doubt I can answer if you are on cam, right? So you want to give confidence to others as well. Yes, Martin. We are ready for you to turn on cam. You've spoken in the day 2, right? Great. So if you are able to understand till now, type U in the chat box. Thanks, Abhijit. Thanks, Matin. Thanks, Rahul. Thanks, Karan. Yes, somebody is unmuting.
Can you share the screen, please? Here, because I've just been able to log in and get this thing. I just want to run the program quickly while you are having a video feedback.
This is very easy, Vasu sir. You in the same page that you are running below, we have written out the code. So yeah, so I'm also, the screen is shared. So how's your experience, Vasu sir? Thanks for being consistent, being here for the second day too. Okay, great.
Yeah. No, the first one was so engrossing and promising that I was very excitedly looking forward to joining the second day. And of course, whatever you have said today seems simple and clear.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for that. Great. So I would want more people to speak and also interact. So this is 4 or 5 more days to go. So you might till now make it up, right? I'd want this to be more interactive. People speaking, right? That's great. Okay, so in interest of time, I'm going to share, continue with the third exercise. Okay, now this is more work for you. Okay, so now we have to create a program which is going to grade and tell what is the grade of a student, right? If it is 90 or higher, it is going to be A. If it's between 65 to 89, it is B. Anything below 65 is going to print F, right? So now what we are going to do, right? Take screenshots, keep taking screenshots if at all you want to run it later also. Okay, I'm just waiting for a second, just take screenshot of this. Amazing, and do put it on the group, not my screenshot. Put your own, run. Okay, so now I'm going to say score of a child is, let's just say if it is 90. Okay. Well, now what we are going to do, if score equal to 90. So, but let's come and read the statement. The question is 90 or higher. So we are going to use the statement, not equal. We are going to say if score is
plus equal to.
No.
Greater. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, who is that? Thanks for unmuting. Thanks, Abhijit. Yeah. Yes. Now
yes, here greater than equal to.
Greater than equal to 90. Then this return A. So here we are returning A. We are not printing anything. So let me just say, let's say print. So we'll learn about returning soon, but let's print alone, right? Just going to make this print for you all. Keep taking screenshots. See, major satisfaction I'll get is when you will put screenshots on the group, right? Samrat, it's very good to have exercise and assignments so that we can do it along with class. It helps in doing experiment with code as well as remember our mistakes. Samrat, thank you so much for the feedback. I would even appreciate
the spelling of else needs to be corrected in the second line.
Okay, so yeah, let me tell you here, sir. It is else. So basically, this is a shorthand for in Python which says else if, right? If not the condition in the top, check this. Else is the last statement that. So for example, here also in the signal, else if, we used else if to check if it is the second statement. Yeah, so I'll also cover about that. If in interest of time, I'm just going forward now. So now else if score is between, the question says 65 and 89. So I'm going to say score is greater than or equal to 69. And I'm going to use A and B and, right? So Python is very simple English like. I'm going to say score if score is greater than or equal to 69 and score is less than or equal to 89, so it's 89, then it is going to print B. 65, sorry. Okay, it's going to print B. Else if was the second condition. So in the else does not have any condition like we have in this first and second. If that does not, if it is not A or B, it will be F, right? So that is how else and else if are differentiated, Vasu sir. Thanks for asking, right? So I'm going to say the score is 93 now. I'm going to run it. Let's see if it's an error. Okay, there's no error. Nice. So it has printed A because the score was more than 90. So the Python came here, at the console and said score is greater than or if it is 90, then print A. So it said, yeah, 93 is greater than 90. So it printed A. Now let's just say print any number like let's say 74. It printed B. So now you've given your program the ability to think small, right? At least it started thinking. You told it if it is between something, print this. And if it is less than, let's just say some kid or someone gets a 40, it's going to print F, right? So there were no errors. So it's very easy for you to run these 3 exercises by yourself. Do take a screenshot if you're going to run it by yourself, right? Do definitely take a screenshot, run it, and also do post it on the WhatsApp group. People who are on YouTube, like Twitter, LinkedIn, and all, join the WhatsApp group. Okay. So yeah, so people who have joined today freshly, let me tell you, we are going through the 7-day exercise. This 7-day is a gift, is from Pixeltest, which is part of a bigger program, a paid course called the Data Science, the AI Bronze. Okay. So now out of that, the first 7 days, we are making it available as a gift here. So we do not require, this is absolutely free. Join as if it's paid. And only thing that we require is for you to be committed and keep coming here, because I am going to be committed and I am going to show up every day for this 7 days and help you become a better Python programmer, build you that confidence in you, and also put you on the journey of becoming a data science professional or join a IT job stream. Okay. So that's about it. If everybody understood it, or if there's anything, you can just put U on the chat, right? If you have understood all the 3 exercises. Now these exercises are conditionals. We have given conditionals, and given Python the program to the ability to think a little, right? If you understood it, type U in the chat box. Thank you so much, Matan. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Chaitali, Samrat. So how many people who have joined first time? Thank you, Abhishek. First time, but you have still understood it, right? You say you too. Give some assignment for tomorrow. So I would want first you to finish this, put a screenshot on this. We'll join in tomorrow and do more of assignment, right? Okay. We will submit in.
Sorry, I have a small doubt.
Yes.
I have a small doubt. I've just fed in that signal is equal to green. If signal is green, then print go. And the error that I'm getting is the name green is not defined there.
Okay, so what I would suggest is we have a beautiful group right now. We'll be opening it up in some time. Put the same screenshot in the WhatsApp group. I, along with others, also will help you correct it. Okay?
Okay.
In interest of time, only in interest of, because we are keeping it very strict to 30 minutes. Okay. But I'm really thankful that you are doing it by yourself, sir. Really, really thank you so much for doing it along with.
What's the WhatsApp number, please? Can you put it in text?
So it's not the WhatsApp number, it's the group, right? So let me put it on chat here. Give me a second. Okay, I've given you a link. Just try joining that, or else anyway, I'll reach out to you, sir. Okay. So.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you so much. And we'll close for today. And see you tomorrow. Before that, we'll have the Ho'oponopono exercise once again. Be relieved and clear all the self-doubt, and let's continue on becoming a better programmer and a data science professional. Okay, thank you so much. And I would request you again to close your eyes. Okay. Yeah, so for now, put the coding part, put the pages and links apart. So put it aside. We'll come back to it. I want you to practice on your own because the sessions are short, but you can, give more time by yourself, right? So I want you to practice. Okay, great. Okay, so let me start the music. I'm going to share my white screen on the sound. So let me know if you're able to listen to my voice along with the music. Yeah, type Y in the chat box. Yes, in the yeah, both. Okay, thank you so much. Right. Okay, we are going to finish with the experience, and post experience, we will want somebody to speak and let us know how you felt. It will be motivating to me as well, right? It's not always. It is both ways, right? Okay. So I would request you to close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Relax your eyes. Relax your breath. Relax your cheeks. Relax your shoulder. Relax your back. Relax your feet. Put your hand, right hand, on your heart, right? And I would be taking my name, you would be taking yours, and I would request you to be on mute and say it loudly, not just in the mind, right? So you are going to talk to yourself, talk to your beautiful spirit, talk to your energy. Let's begin. I am responsible for my career. I am responsible for myself and my career. I'm really sorry for doing whatever I may have done. I'm really sorry for whatever I may have done in my career. I'm really sorry for not taking care of you, my dear career, in the first place. Please forgive me, my dear career, for not taking care of you. Please forgive me, my dear career, for putting so much stress on you. Please forgive me, my dear career, for not giving you enough time. Thank you, dear career. In spite of all the situations, you are taking care of me by fulfilling all my needs. You are fulfilling all your duties. Thank you so much, career. I know that I have not told you many times. I know that I have not told you many times, my dear career. I love you, even in your current situation and in any other situation. Thank you so much. Yeah. So I request you to open your eyes. While you open your eyes, clap your hands. Not that energy for you. Take a deep breath. Nice. Yes, Samrat, I would want you to unmute at least. If you can come on camera, that would be great. And share the same experience. It would be really encouraging for me and others to hear. I'm not going to read your message out, right? So we have, the team has posted the link of the group, WhatsApp group. Please join in there. He's Samrat Saxena. Yeah, so I let you unmute. Can you share what you've put up in the chat?
Hi, hello everyone. So yeah, it's very different feeling. Like it feels like I myself it's not alone. It's like we two are there, and one is like best friend who is motivating the other, and the other is realizing it, who has done committed the mistakes. So yeah, it's very positive. Like it feels very positive.
Correct, correct, correct. Really, really, thank you so much, Samrat. Right. Thank you for contributing and this thing. But taking thanks for taking this step. I know you've told that you'll not be able to come on cam. Okay. But I request please try it tomorrow. Right. We want to see Vasu sir is already there. We have others also who have come on cam earlier. So tomorrow I request more people to turn on cam. Okay. Yes. So, Vasu sir, for the significance, we are running short. I'll tell about the significance in the next session also. But let me just tell this technique called Ho'oponopono is a technique which is a Hawaiian technique which uses these four statements: "I'm sorry," "Please forgive me," "Thank you," "I love you," which are very high energy, high vibration statements, which will help you clear all the negativity or self doubt that comes for you. Right. So that is the significance of it. Right. We'll be doing it often. Yeah. Thank you so much. Great. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for giving me the energy. Thank you so much, Samrat, and others, everyone for sharing their experiences. Please do remember tomorrow it is going to be cameras on. Right. That will really be motivating to me as well. Thank you so much. Great. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you, Abhishek. Good night, Nitin, to you too. Yeah, so type in just one word, what experience you had, and then let's call it a day. Thank you so much. Amazing, awesome, beautiful. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, thank you, Chaitali. It was a great experience for me too. Great, so fantastic. Right, do remember to post your submissions or the assignment screenshots on the group. Right, thank you so much.